Welcome to ClipMixAi. You start by logging in with your details, email, and password. You select New Video. You can create a new song, as we showed in a previous video, or select a song that you have already created, or upload your own song. I will upload my own song. If you want, you can trim a part of the song and use only that part for the video clip. You can choose to upload your own photo. Regarding the photos, or generate a new photo by writing a prompt. For example, a photo with a monkey. Or you can choose automatic image creation based on the lyrics. Choose animated or slideshow. I will choose animated. Choose the animation quality. Choose the aspect ratio, depending on whether the video is for YouTube, for Shorts, or for TikTok. Depending on how you plan to use it, you can choose premium image quality or standard image quality. You can see the cost and credits and change the settings. If you want to adjust the price, let me change the animation quality to standard to reduce the cost. Then press Create. Wait for the system to generate the main image. It suggests, based on the lyrics. If you like the image, you can keep it. You can upload a new image or create one using a prompt. For example, I want a monkey. If you like the image, you approve it and continue. Now, it has generated all the images for all the scenes. You can write a prompt to change an image that you do not like. You can move the images between scenes. Let me swap some images between the scenes. I will exchange these images. You press Approve and Continue. And you are ready. You can download your video. You can edit your video in Edit Video. Trim a part or make a simple edit. If something did not go well, you can report the problem here. For example, you can write, "My video has a problem, please refund." First, you allow the reviewer to check your video. Then you submit the report. You can also view and download either all the images, or download them one by one. For the scenes you approved, let's see what we created.
The first thing that I see is a big brown monkey in the tree. He looks so funny and he looks so happy. I think that he just made a fool of me. Big brown monkey in the tree. Big brown monkey in the tree. Big brown monkey in the tree. I think that he just made a fool of me. The monkey took my keys and ran away with a cheeky smile on his face. I followed him through the jungle all day. The monkey took my keys and ran away. Big brown monkey in the tree. Big brown monkey in the tree. Big brown monkey in the tree. I think that he just made a fool of me. In the jungle, in the morning, I woke up to find a monkey was a figment of my mind. The jungle looked so pretty and I felt so happy. I think that he just made a fool of me. Big brown monkey in the tree.